Hey friends, have you ever noticed that your life looks productive, but it doesn't feel playful anymore? Like you're getting things done, you're responsible, you're showing up, and from the outside, everything might look solid. But internally, something feels tight and off. And that happened to me. There was a stretch where I was not really burned out. I wasn't failing. I just realized I had quietly turned my days into obligations. Even the things I loved started to feel like items on a list that I had to check off. And that's when I saw it clearly. I wasn't lacking discipline, I was lacking play. And somewhere along the way, I replaced that beautiful curiosity we have with control. I replaced presence with productivity. I stopped experiencing my life and I started managing it. So I asked myself a better question. What if the problem isn't my schedule? What if it's my mindset? When Alan Watts talks about creativity, he said it comes from play, not pressure, from play. And I realized something really simple. Play is not something you wait for. It's something you bring to what you're already doing. It starts with awareness. Slow down for one breath. Actually feel it move in and out. Look around and notice where you are. Remember that you're alive right now. Then layer in gratitude. Gratitude for the obvious blessings. Gratitude for the roof over your head. Gratitude for the beautiful, amazing people in your life. Even gratitude for the challenges, because they're shaping you in ways comfort never could. And when you shift into gratitude, things soften. When you remember to smile, even slightly, your nervous system responds. Your body responds and actually shifts physiologically. Nothing outside changes, but changing your experience changes your results. And that's the shift. Instead of treating your day like a list of things you have to check off, treat it like it's something you get to participate in, that you get to do. Bring a little joy into the ordinary. Bring curiosity into the routine. Bring play into the small moments. You don't need a different life. You just need a different way of looking at the one you already have. And mindset shifts are immediate. Whenever you're ready for it, it can happen. And that shift can start with one breath at a time, and maybe even just a small smile.